Look at yourself. You've probably tried everything to fix yourself and change your life. You made the plans, set the goals, promised yourself this time it'll be different. And for a few days it actually worked. Then you missed one day, then another, and suddenly you were back to the same habits again. So this time, don't make another complicated plan. Give yourself 30 days to reset your life. We're going to divide these 30 days into 4 simple phases. Week 1, reset your environment. For the first 7 days, don't try to completely transform yourself. Just fix the basics. Start with your sleep. Go to bed and wake up around the same time every day. Get enough sleep so you're not starting every morning feeling exhausted. Then fix your food. Eat proper meals and get enough protein from simple foods like eggs, milk, dal, soya beans, or paneer. Your body needs proper nutrition if you want better energy and recovery. Drink enough water. Keep a bottle near you and make hydration a habit instead of waiting until you're already thirsty. And most importantly, control your phone. Don't wake up and immediately spend an hour scrolling. Keep it away while you're studying or working and avoid mindless scrolling before bed. Even clean your room and workspace, because when your environment is full of distractions, staying disciplined becomes much harder. Week 2, build your routine. Now that you've removed some of the chaos, it's time to build a routine. Start exercising for 30 to 45 minutes most days. It doesn't have to be complicated. Walk, run, lift weights, or do a basic home workout. Then give yourself at least one focused work or study session every day. Put your phone away, choose one important task, and just work on that. And every morning, write down your 3 most important tasks, not 10, just 3 things that actually matter. Get those done before you waste your time on everything else. Week 3, train your discipline. Now we make things a little uncomfortable. Every day, do one thing you don't feel like doing. The workout you've been avoiding, the chapter you don't want to study, the assignment you've been postponing. Because this is where discipline actually gets built. And here's the rule. Don't negotiate with yourself. If you decided to study at 7, start at 7. If you plan to work out, go. You don't have to feel motivated first. You're teaching yourself to act based on your decisions, not your mood. And on bad days, use the minimum rule. Can't study for an hour? Study for 15 minutes? Can't do a full workout? Do 10 minutes? Just don't let the day become 0. Week 4, make it your lifestyle. Now you've spent 3 weeks fixing your sleep, food, environment, exercise, focus, and discipline. But don't make the mistake of thinking that day 30 means you're done. Look back and figure out what actually worked for you. Maybe waking up earlier helped. Maybe working out in the morning worked better. Maybe keeping your phone in another room completely changed your focus. Whatever works, keep it. And on day 30, compare yourself to day 1. Look at your screen time, your sleep, your workouts, your focused hours, your consistency. You don't need to have a perfect life after 30 days. You just need to be better than the person who started. Because this challenge isn't about changing everything overnight. It's about spending 30 days proving to yourself that you can actually follow through. 30 days, 4 weeks, 1 reset. Start tomorrow, and this time, don't quit after 3 days. I'll see you in the next one.